Ready to turn Dubai's luxury real estate market into your own personal ATM using Zillow? First, let's clear something up. Zillow doesn't operate directly in Dubai the way it does in the US. However, clever agents and investors are finding ways to leverage its principles and market knowledge to succeed in Dubai. We'll break it down. Step 1. Market research is king. While you can't list on Zillow, use it to understand trends in US markets. What property types are popular? What features are in demand? This gives you a head start on anticipating global investor interests in Dubai. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Are you focusing on luxury apartments for international investors or family villas for expats? Understanding your audience informs everything. Step 3. Dominate local platforms. Since Zillow isn't directly here, master the leading Dubai real estate portals. Optimize your listings with high-quality photos, virtual tour, and compelling descriptions that highlight features popular on Zillow in the US like smart home tech or energy efficiency. Step 4. Network. Build relationships with local agents, developers, and property managers. These connections are crucial for accessing off-market deals and insider information. Step 5. Content is still king. Create valuable content about Dubai real estate trends, investment opportunities, and neighborhood guides. Share this content across social media platforms to establish yourself as an expert. Use keywords that attract both local and international buyers. Thinking like a Zillow searcher. So, while you can't directly use Zillow in Dubai, you can apply its principles of market research, data analysis, and targeted marketing to unlock serious earning potential. Get out there and make it happen.